sun is shining in that faraway land of mine. I'm so thankful, but I'm so tired. I'm so thankful, but I'm so tired. I know that time has a way of its own, but like a book you've read or a movie you've been shown, life don't quite work out like you planned 90% of the time. When I'm on fire, I'll be in that land of mine. So take me away from the rain. Why don't you take me away from the rain? Take me away from the rain. Why don't you just take